Hi guys, today I'm going to do an oil change on my mom's car. Let's get started. Here is what we need. We need a jack, some stands, and some other tools. First, we need to open the hood, so let's go do that. Okay, so we need to lock it first. There we go. Now, let's jack up the car. Now we need to secure the car with stands. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Next, we need to remove the under panels with the 8mm socket. So let's go. Whoa. So they're right here. Oh. What the?
It's a. Do the other ones now.
Okay. Is that good enough?
Yeah, next one.
Okay. Okay, and then... I think I did that a little crooked.
I think that's done. It's too crooked.
Oops. Okay. It's hard to get it in. Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's pull the first one out. There we go. Second one. Okay, can we get a retake on that one?
Yeah. There we go.
My eye! Next, we need to remove the oil drain. And I got some help from my dad, so let's start.
So let's loosen the drain. This was a little too hard for Hayden, so he got some help from me. And let's drain the oil. Ready?
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, that's oil?
Yeah, you gotta let it drain, all of it.
Wait, how long will that take though? Okay, I'm coming out.
Alright, so let's drain the oil, and then next we'll do the filter.
How long would that take?
It'll take about, I don't know, 2 minutes. You want to let it drain all the way, so you gotta wait. You can go and come back and just wait till it drains all the way.
We drained the oil. Now it's time to tighten the bolt.
Alright, let's do that.
So let's go do that.
Drained all the oil. I'm trying to tighten this bolt.
Okay. Whoa.
Snug. There we go. All done.
Yay.
Time to take the oil filter.
Whoa. Stop.
Yeah.
Okay. Time to remove the oil filter. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Alright, let's loosen this.
Oh
Ooh,
wow.
what a mess.
Where's your hand supposed to be like that?
It's full of oil. There's nothing wrong with it. You just want to make sure the oil's not hot, so.
How hot? Is it hot right now?
No, it's not hot. Just let it drain.
No, that's right. Now we need to install the new oil filter. So let's go ahead and do that. Get it out of the box. What?
Alright,
Beautiful.
new filter.
Whoa.
Over here.
Right there.
The filter goes in there.
Whoa.
You got it?
Okay.
Gotta make sure it's straight. And then screw it in.
This is really hard.
It's okay. Alright, take 2. You're in?
I can hardly see it.
There we go.
I'm getting it.
Go, go, go. You got it. Keep tightening. Till it's hand tight. There we go.
Yay,
All
I
set.
did it. We put the under panels back in. We lowered the car. Now it's time to put the oil in. So let's go do that. This way, right?
Pull up. There you go.
Okay. So put that there. Is that good?
Yeah. You want me to pour the oil?
No, I'll pour it.
Okay. Other way. Other way.
Oh.
Ready? Tighty, lefty, loosey. Remember?
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah. Let me do it.
Okay.
Hold it.
Yes.
All right.
This is exciting.
New oil.
The moments of truth.
Oh yeah.
Last time it was all dark and black.
Yeah, because it had 7,000 kilometers on it. So you want to do your oil change every 5,000 to 6,000 if you're using non-synthetic. If you use
Final step is to start the car and make sure there's no leaks. My dad is gonna do it because I'm obviously too young, so yeah.
All right, fire it up.
I'm gonna step outside here.
Leaks. Check for leaks.
Let's go check.
No leaks.
Wow! Now that the oil change is done, we need to change the oil filter, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's take it out. It's a little hard. There we
go.
go.
So we
Okay,
gotta check if it's dirty.
It is dirty.
It is dirty. So let's grab the new one.
Very dirty. Okay. Open box.
You can put them beside each other to show how different it is.
Yeah, let's do that right after I open this box. Okay, so
See? A little bit better, right?
a lot better.
Let's
Okay.
put it in.
Let's go put it in.
Perfect. Lock the tabs. And we are done. We'll check.
Last thing is to check the oil level, so let's go do that.
Pull
Is that
it out.
good?
You gotta pull it out all the way.
Is that?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Let's check. And it's perfect, right by the dot.
Yeah.
These ones are hard to read sometimes, but it's look good. Okay, put it back.
In here, right?
Yep.
Well,
Alright. Hold on.
please subscribe to the channel to see some more content. Yeah.